How to recover your Temu account. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily recover Temu account. Without any further delay, let's just get into the video. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Temu app. Once you open up the app, what you're going to have to do is get to the login page. I'm already logged in, so let me just quickly log out of my account. So once you get to the sign in page, you can tap on another way to sign in. So you can go to register or sign in account. So go to email, enter the email that you have connected to. So let me just go ahead and quickly enter my email, tap on continue. Then from here, you can use email verification code to sign in. If you have forgotten your password, click on the trouble signing in button and then click on reset your password. Now enter your email that's connected to your account and tap on submit. From here, you'll get a code on your email to reset your password. So just look out for an email. So I've gotten an email like this where I've gotten the code, and I also have an option to reset password by directly clicking on this link. So let me just go ahead and copy the code here first. And once you copy the code, you can paste it right on your Temu app. Now tap on submit. And now you can just create a new password and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.